Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my Olens collection, and in this video, I'll do my best to feature all of the close-up shots that I have. And the reason why I decided to film this is because unfortunately, I have to get rid of all of the ones you guys will be seeing today in my drawer, and the reason for that is because I changed my eye power. Not because I want to, I have no choice guys, so it's really heartbreaking to see them going, but I have found a couple of friends that I can actually give them away to, so I'm really happy that I don't actually have to throw them away. But yeah, this has been accumulated in my drawer for many years, and they are not expired because I do check the expiry date and they do last a really long time. Like, I have contact lenses up to like 2028 guys, like yeah. But yeah, it's really sad to see them go, but I thought why not show you guys my collection, and from that collection you guys will probably see which are the ones that I really like, the ones that I need to stock up on. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Open this up. So my contact lenses are in here. So I have my brown, my olive, my grey, and blue and pink are around the corner, but let's start around this area first. I'm gonna focus on the monthly ones first. This one over here is the Olens Big Glowy Mocha Brown in the monthly, the Olens Shine Touch in a Milky Cocoa, but a couple of this glowy highlighter in glowy brown, which is like one of the first colors that they released. The Shine Touch collection, and I believe this is the Milky Brown, so it's a bit lighter than the Milky Cocoa. This is the Moonrise collection in Fawn Brown, which is such a beautiful color. This is like quite old I think, and this is the I-Team collection in brown. Olens VV3 Con, which is like the big size one, and this is in the shade brown. Nella collection, love this one, and this one is in ash beige. This one is a big glowy in hazel. Last monthly one, which is News in brown. Now we're going through all the daily ones. So I have a whole bunch of the double tint brown here, which I absolutely love, and yeah, so 4 boxes here. So sad to say go. Then I have the glowy latte brown, which is a beautiful color, lighter than the darker brown. 2 versions of Ever Shine. First one is the brown one, and the second one is the mocha brown. Olens Russian Smoky in smoky brown, such a beautiful color. This is the Russian Ocean Velvet and in the color hazel. This is the Ending collection in the color brown. The glowy, the darker version in mocha brown, such a beautiful shade. In the right hand corner here, this is the Olens Misty in ash cocoa. This is the Cherry Moon collection in the brown shade. All the way at the back here is pretty much my Vivi Ring collection, which I absolutely, not that one, this is Russian Smoky over here, but over here I have 20 boxes of Vivi Ring, and then all of this one are the daily 10 pieces one. Absolutely love Vivi Ring brown, and I always stock them, and it's so painful to see them go, but I have no choice. I do have a little bit more brown at the back, and this one is the Misty Gold Mint. So before there was a brown, and this is a gold mint, which is like a golden shade color. And I have the classic as well. This is the Scandi Hazel color. Last but not least, which I believe they don't have it anymore, but this is the Vivi Ring Cocoa, which I feel like is more natural than the Vivi Ring Brown, but unfortunately I don't think they have it anymore. I could be wrong, but the last time I checked, I think it's gone. To the green, I think we'll probably do the daily ones first and then go to the monthly. First one is this Olens Ending. Oh my gosh, my hair everywhere, sorry guys. This is the Olens Ending in olive, Olens Velvet in green color, beautiful shade. This is Olens French in olive, Russian Smoky in olive. This one, and I'm surprised I only have like 2 boxes of this, but this is the Vivi Ring Olive. Last but not least, for the daily ones, this is the Olens Scandi in olive. Also love this one a lot. On the right hand side here, pretty much the bottom half here are all the monthly. I have this one, I think it's quite old. This is the Olens Lime Gold color. I have 2 of the Spanish olive, 2 of the Russian velvet in green color. Of the Nella, so I have 3 of this. This is the Nella olive. Alright, now we're on to the gray area, I think. Why is it? Oh yeah, this is gray. Anyway, so this one here is the Russian velvet in gray. And this is the Scandi light gray, because I believe they released 2 different type of gray. This is the light one. We have the last of the Nella. So this is the Nella in ash gray, night gray. Another I-Team collection, this is the grey version. Nails grey. The last one, Shine Touch grey. Almost there, so we're gonna go through all the daily ones first. I'm gonna start from the middle because of the view. This is the glowy highlighter in black, which I categorize under grey because it's like greyish black. This is like pretty much brand new. Love this one. This is the Vivi Rain grey. Also, this one comes in 20 pieces. Double tint grey. Love this color so much, such a pretty shade. The back here, this is probably like one of the OG, the Spanish grey. Smoky in grey, such a beautiful smoky grey shade for like smoky eye look, make you look so sexy, you know. This is the Scandi grey, got this like in the 20 pieces. This is the French Gold 3-con in grey. It's the French Shine version grey. This is the Evershine in grey, Ending grey, Ocean Velvet grey. Last one, the Real Ring grey, which is like also another classic. Almost at the end, this is the French Shine in Lavender, which I absolutely love. The shade of this is so pretty. This one is the Spanish peach, I believe. Yeah, peach color is a beautiful shade. Absolutely love this one. And this is the Caribbean 3-con pink, which I feel like I've never done a review on this, but I love the design of it. I have this one Island, which I don't think they have it anymore, but again, I used to rave this so much. And this one is a unique color. It's called Island Cobalt, which is like a purple bluey shade. Then this is the Russian Velvet in blue. This one is the Scandi Aqua, which is also really beautiful. Last but not least is the Moonrise in Dew Grey. I've put all the contact lenses that I need to give away to my friends. And then over here, I have all my contact lenses that I collected that has like my new power, which I'm going to start transferring them into the drawer. So this is my new collection. I think it's a decent amount. For the brown one, you can see I have way more browns than the other colors. Quickly show you guys what I've done, but pretty much I've just put all my one-day browns all here, from the most used to like the least used, and then the monthly one all the way here as well. Then for the olive, I've put the monthly one right across here. And same thing as well, the most used to the least used. At the moment, I don't have a lot of olive. That's why I can display some downwards like this just to see clearer compared to like the brown ones. And then this one are my gray. So again, same thing as well, least used to the most used. At the moment, I'm loving the Nella Ash Gray. And I've put the monthly ones here. Here are like my miscellaneous one, which is so unfortunate because I don't have any peach or pink. But I have my French Shine Lavender here, my French Shine Aqua, which is beautiful as well, and then my favorite one at the moment, which is the Olens Glowy Sapphire Blue, which, you know, you can see there's more space to stock up on. But yeah, so this is my current collection. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.